So with my mentorship, 9 months, within 9 months, you should be finishing up. And max 12 months, you should finish up. It depends on your own goals. There are some people that have 2 years on their post-studies. There are some people that have 1 year on their post-study. See, I'm going to give you the right push. It is better you stretch yourself now and not like stretching yourself to the breaking point. No, if you know where you're going, where you're heading to and everything, you just give it a shot. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, the first part of the question. I have done my master's from an IBMS university, so do I need to go for training? See, to the best of my knowledge, that training is what gives you idea about the lab. As you've done master's in IBMS accredited university, you still need IBMS registration portfolio. But you cannot do portfolio, you cannot do that IBMS registration portfolio, you cannot do it outside the NHS. Only the NHS labs are accredited to do it. Some private laboratories too, they have it, because in some private laboratories, they need to train you and everything, they have it. But most private laboratories, what you see them portray to you is that we want to train you. This is a CPD course, come and train and go. But the other side of the private laboratory, that they employ people to work for them and everything, they do training IBMS registration portfolio for them, and they train them for specialist portfolio as well. Do you get? But private labs, they don't always give people that opportunity to come and train like that. They want ready-made people. You know, private laboratory, they pay their people per hour, how they work and everything, and per blocks. Yeah, that's just how that is. Okay, the second part says, does your mentorship only help me without a training? My mentorship goes with training. That's it. See, I cannot mentor you if you do not have lab experience. I cannot mentor you, because what if I start mentioning equipment now? Even if I show you the diagram of the equipment, if I start feeding you how the equipment works and everything, you've not seen the equipment before, you only see the video, you only see this and that, you only see the pictures. It doesn't work that way. You cannot grasp it. It's like me forcing things into your head. Do you get? It doesn't work that way. That's the reason why there are some kind of people that I wouldn't want to mentor. It's not about getting a mentorship fee. No, I need to do something that makes sense to me and will also give you the results you want. Do you get? Some people that scam, they don't even put their faces out there. But people scam people, they do courses, they do this and that. There's a different thing they'll tell you, they will offer you. But at the end of the day, they won't even deliver and everything. See, my LinkedIn profile, you can always check my LinkedIn profile out. I'm not this person that puts my face out there at first. Do you get? But because of the mentorship, my face is out, my this and that. Like, I needed to impact people. This is what I enjoy doing. If I know something and you have a foundation in it, see, if only you can go for a lab training for 1 day, even if not with these private lab that I told you, if someone can get you into an NHS lab for a day, I can take it up from there. I can take it up from there, because you've seen the environment. Do you get? You've seen everything about the lab and all. Then I can prepare you for interview and you get everything. See, the interview questions, I've got questions and I've got answers. I can relate the answers, the questions and answers for you, and the questions and answers are also being recorded. They are with you till you get a job and everything. You get. But the thing is, there is no way I can teach you. There is no way I can carry you along if you do not have that experience. If you've not seen what I'm teaching you before. Do you get? Just like, yeah, let us relate it with someone that says he or she training hematology now and wants me to get her a job. First thing is that I do not major on hematology. There's no way I can carry you through to get a job in hematology. No way. If I do that, I'm putting a stain on my name, right? At the end of the day, people will be like, this guy is a scammer, this thing and that. No, I cannot do that. I go for something that is real. I see things through. Do you get? For my mentees, I know, even you see the reviews, and I made a screenshot of our conversations, the achievements and everything, interview invites and all. There's no way I can write supporting information statement for you in hematology. People that are doing that, right? They are either using AI, and even in the job vacancies, they will write it to you that do not use AI to write your supporting information. I don't use AI in biomedical science sphere or space. And out of 3 set of people, just 2 set of people are the ones that you can see them having a YouTube channel or talking about anything related to biomedical science or being a biomedical scientist in the UK. Let's go through the 3 set of people, and I'll tell you the 2 sets of people that you can see their video on YouTube and everything talking about this. I don't know if you've checked my YouTube channel out. I've made some videos. There was a live session we did in May, I think first week in May, the May bank holiday and everything. There was like 2 hours something there, and I specifically do some videos in short forms, like to explain everything you need to know about biomedical science, biomedical scientist pathway, mentorship, this thing and that. Now, the 3 set of people are, the first one, they are the ones that did HCPC accredited biomedical science courses. The second set of people, they are the ones that were they were like lab scientists from their home countries, and they came to the UK to convert their home country licenses to HCPC. And the third set of people are people in your category, my own category as well. Then, that is, we came from the abroad, we came here for masters, we found our way through everything, look for how to get registered and find our way through everything till we get HCPC registration. Now, out of these 3 set of people now, just 2 out of these 3, just 2 out of the 3 will you see their videos online. I mean, I'm a day in the life of a biomedical scientist, how to get this thing. No. So the 2 sets are what? The people that did HCPC accredited courses, they did 2 years in the university, went for placements for 1 year, 4th year did their final year, and after that they became HCPC registered. The second set were people from abroad. Oh, let me tell you how to become an HCPC registered biomedical scientist in the UK. If you are a lab scientist from Nigeria, if you're a lab scientist from India, they tell you the processes of how you can convert your this thing, the form you need to fill and all. But the third one in this category that you and I are, you don't always see it anywhere. I don't know if you've seen it, but me, I've not come across it. That's the reason why many people, everybody will keep looking for that answer that I have masters in this, I've trained at this, I've trained at that.